Today is my first car show, and to be honest, I'm very excited and kind of scared. First of all, because I don't have enough of time to prepare my car. I know that we can do much better job, but we just came back from Ukraine and just find out that this car show is supposed to be today. Right now we're on our way and very excited to participate to this car show. Today is British car show in Los Angeles Car Museum. In this video we would like to show you what we did, how we prepare a car, and also we would like to share our experience. Guys, could you tell in your comments if it's interesting for you to watch a video about car show? If it's interesting, we're definitely gonna do more video like this. If no, we will try to find something more interesting for you.
Right now we're cleaning our Jaguar for the exhibition of the British cars, so hope people will like it.
Looks yummy. When your car shampoo smells like a berries, it's much funnier to wash your car. You know what is it? It's my gift for my 30 years old. My sister, my parents, a lot of my relatives give me money to buy for me like fancy watches, but I choose this one, and grill for my house. One of the tips, guys, if you feel that your AC smell like somebody make a pee inside, what I would recommend I would recommend to you buy something like this, like disinfectant spray in any your convenience store, on any like Walmart or Target, and then turn your AC on maximum position and just spray, or inside under your dashboard. So usually it's under the glove box where you AC take air from inside of the interior, or over here. You can see something like grill for your heating system. Just spray it, and they're gonna take all this air with disinfector inside, and gonna kill some mold smell for pretty long period. First of all, you're gonna kill a lot of viruses, and also you're gonna kill smell of the mold. What you need to find the disinfectant spray with mold protection, or disinfectant spray which possible can kill the mold. I recommend to do this without a AC filter. In this case, you're gonna increase your, I don't know, power of a disinfector, but right now I don't have a time and I'm gonna do this with a filter. But filter also accumulates some smell, and in this case, smell would be last for longer period.
We tried to do the best job we could. We cleaned everything under the hood, so this is the result. Hope people will like it. This is the classic tire spray that I'm going to spray all over the tires of our Jaguar to complete the look.
Guys, if you really want to put a car seat in your S-type, I would recommend to use something like this, like protection for your seats, because the leather is so good quality, I would say, and so soft that really can damage the leather in your Jaguar. I would recommend for this car definitely use it. For Dodge, for example, for my Ford, I would never use it, but for this I have to. You know what's make me happy? Because only one S-type over here, this is mine.
When Igor was turning 30, he asked me to buy him Jaguar. I said, okay, fine, but we didn't do it, and we got the Jaguar a little bit later. So today we're going to compare two models that he wanted, and I will tell you...
Which I finally get it.
Yeah, he finally got it. This is the car that he wanted and asked for. This is the older model, and next to it, right next to
XGR.
and this is the one that he finally got. I think that the newer one is much more sexier and better. I also like the color of this car. The dark gray looks much better, I think. But this one, I don't know, I'm not the fan of really old cars, so that's not something that I would choose, but he likes it much more and he thinks that the design of this one is much better.
When I look at all Jaguars advertisement and I saw classic British green color for Jaguar, to be honest, I hate it. I think it looks like too old. But on this kind of party, when everywhere is like truly British car owners, these cars look very, very sexy and really want to buy it.
Today is the most attractive cars are Lotus cars. Look at those.
Behind of us, Lotus S-type. According to Car Magazine, right now it's most affordable supercar. My opinion, it still looks sexy and very, very cool. If you ever watch our review, I always told you that I hate Chinese tires. It's a crap. But for a car like this, which is antique, I think it's fine because nobody gonna drive them like a crazy. Nobody gonna race. And I think just for view, Chinese tires for this kind of car is a good idea. Right now, I wanna ask Larissa what she think about old Rolls-Royce, which you can afford it. For example, some of them you can buy right now on Craigslist for $12,000, $15,000, $20,000, and we'll see what she think about it.
Okay, so my opinion is that I'm not a big fan of the old cars. I don't like the smell, I don't like the style, so I'm more like the modern girl with, the taste for modern cars and modern designs.
Right now we're looking inside the interior Triumph stock with deer on the emblem, and look at this interior stuff. Probably jean and glass for jean with also deer